Hey guys, I got sent over this 25-inch grill tong set just in time. Got the grill going. Gonna try them out. Let's take a look at them here. Ooh, now that is some tongs now. Kind of cute. Got a little face on there. Nice wooden handle on it. That ought to be able to reach in there and grab some burgers or steaks or whatever you have on the grill, chicken, whatever you're grilling. Ought to get the job done. We get them washed off, and when we get some meat on the grill, we're going to try them out. Stick around. All right, I just noticed it has the brand name here on them too. A little smiley face. Those are so cute. These would actually be better for like chicken or steak or something like that, but once you get your hamburgers going pretty good, they'll be good for this. You know, even if you're cooking like hot dogs or something like that. But they work just fine. Definitely a thumbs up. I'll tell you what, these will definitely do the job. If you'd like to get you some of these, I'm going to put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value out of this video at all, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. So yeah, if you're looking for a good set of tongs that'll reach in there and you don't have to worry about getting your hand hot, they come in various sizes, whatever it takes to get the job done. Definitely a thumbs up. I like them. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.